be able to see it here in a minute, whatever it is. Oh, what's that? Look. Look. Looks like a possible tornado. Right there. We have what looks like a developing tornado right in that intense rotation area up ahead.
Air grows heavy, tasted sharp like a knife. Shadows dancing, screaming on the horizon. Quiet before it bursts loud like sins untold. Spin, turn, twist, feed the beast. Roaring sky, a juggernaut feast. No escape, no safe hiding place. Tornado gods laugh in your face.
I saw it. It looks like something's real low, if not on the ground. There's a second tornado possible behind us.
Clouds boil, fierce tongues lick the earth. Nature's rage like primal rebirth. Electric needles pierce the blank mire. Dust devours dream sky's funeral pyre. Spin, turn, twist, feed the beast. Roaring sky, a juggernaut feast. No escape, no safe hiding place. Tornado gods laugh in your face. Pulse of the ground shakes my frame. Running ain't running, bodies fall the same. Tearing down life like it never mattered. Dreams and houses broken, shattered.